If you're new to OnePlus phones and you suddenly have your display colors looking all inverted like this here, then your color inversion is turned on. And in order to disable this, you can try by long pressing the volume down and up keys together at the same time for about 3 seconds to disable it, as you might have made a mistake and enabled them with the accessibility shortcut enable. Now, if this doesn't work for you and you still can't get it to turn off, you can also use the quick access here and go into the settings right there. And from here, go down until you see the part that says the accessibility and convenience, this one right here. So go into this here, you'll see accessibility right there. And from here, go to where it says vision, this one right there. And as you're in the vision section here now, you're going to see different display options. One of them is color inversion. Go into that here. And chances are your shortcut might be turned on, so go ahead and turn that off. Then go ahead and turn off the color inversion or inverted colors, and you should have everything looking back to normal, like and so.